Dear Sky Challenge participants, dear aviation partners, welcome to Athens. We at Athens International Airport are very proud to be the first to host such an event at an airport site in Europe. A hackathon event where key aviation organizations in Europe are teaming up, demonstrating how our industry is at the forefront of innovation, creating safe and environmentally sustainable travel solutions to the ultimate benefit of our passengers. Dear Sky Challenge participants, let's take off to Athens to reinvent aviation.